In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account on a Samsung Galaxy A13. This walkthrough will show you how to disconnect a Gmail account from your phone without deleting the Google account itself. That means the account and its data remain safe online. You're just removing it from this device. Start by opening the Settings app on your Galaxy A13. You can tap the gear icon on your home screen or pull down the notification shade and tap the gear in the top corner. If you don't see the exact menu names I mentioned, use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Accounts to jump right in. Next, find and open Accounts and Backup. This section manages all accounts connected to your phone and how they sync. Inside, tap Manage Accounts. You'll now see a list of every account currently added to the device, including Google, email, and social apps. Choose the Gmail account you want to remove. If you have more than one Google account on the phone, make sure you're selecting the correct one by checking the email address carefully. Before you proceed, understand that removing this account will delete its synced data from your phone, such as Gmail messages, contacts, and calendar events, along with any other information tied to that account on this device. This does not erase the data from Google's servers, so you can still access everything by signing in on another device or adding the account back later. Now tap Remove Account. Your phone may ask you to confirm your choice and might prompt for your screen lock, PIN, pattern, or password for security. Approve the confirmation. The removal process usually takes just a few moments, and you might see some brief notifications as the account disconnects. Once it's removed, open the Gmail app on your Galaxy A13 to verify. You'll see that you're no longer signed in with that account on this device. If Gmail asks you to add an account, that's normal. You can skip it if your goal was simply to remove the previous account. Keep in mind that other Google apps connected to that account, like Contacts and Calendar, will also reflect the change on this phone. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Gmail account from your Samsung Galaxy A13, cleared its synced data from the device, and kept the actual Google account intact. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.